Welcome back. Today we have another Topps 2025 Series 1 Hobby Jumbo box. In this box we're going to have one autograph, at least one autograph, and 2 relics guaranteed. We have 10 packs, 40 cards a pack, so that's 400 cards. Also on the top we're going to have 2 packs of 4 Topps 1990 Chrome. So let's put these aside here. Let's do these Topps 1990. Again, sorry about my hand here. I was out getting autographs today. That's my paint pen. Sorry about that. Alright, so here we're going to have 4 1990 Topps Chrome. Would you look at that? That is our autograph. Let's put that over here for a second. But we have Vlad, Kobe Mayo, Imanaga. That's a great pull. But here is here's an auto. Cade Povich. Sorry, I'm not familiar with you, Cade. That's your rookie card. This is not an on-auto card. So I hope this doesn't count as our auto for the Ben. Sorry, my cat is meowing behind me. Ben. But that is not an auto card here. Hold on. Ben. You can open those later. I'm trying to open up some packs behind me. Now, this is not an on-card auto. So I hope that this is a good one. Oh, but it is numbered. Jeez, you can't even see that. Can you see it there on camera? You see that? The 299 or card 221 of 299. Alright, so that's Cade. Don't know much about you, Cade. Rookie, young guy. Baltimore, which is struggling at the wazoo right now. I'm hoping that's not our auto for the case. Hoping we get 2 autos. That'd be nice. But beggars can't be choosers, can they? Let's see what we got. Alright, coming in here to our second one. Brooks Lee, Byron Buxton, so if you're a Twins fan, back-to-back. Bryce Harper, Fernando Tatis. So those are our 1990 Topps Chromes. Alright, enough dilly-dallying now. Let's get into the meat. Here. Alright. 10 packs. 40 cards each. We'll fly through the base as fast as we can. I will double check the bases more closely, just make sure I didn't miss a Dancing Dodgers, which that's not a Dancing Dodger. Make sure I don't miss anything crazy in there. But we'll get through this. Alright, to our inserts. An online redemption card. Okay. Let's see what we got here. Oh my goodness. We are to receive a flagship reel 1 autograph card of Clayton Kershaw. Holy cow. I've never received a redemption card before. Flagship reel 1 autograph card. What is that going to look like? Jeez. I fill this out? 1 use only. Well, that's awesome. I've never had a redemption card before. Let's set this up here. I'm going to look that up later. Those are pretty cool, aren't they? Alright, so this is a good pack, or good case so far. Let's see what we have here. So this is our Rainbow Carlos rookie card, Yankee Carlos Navarez. Rainbow there. Justin Henry Malloy on the 1990. Call to the Hall, Ty Cobb, and our base. This has been an exciting case so far, or exciting box so far, hasn't it? Let's keep it going. Let's keep it going. Here we have our base again. Get through these for you. Alright, come up here. Call to the Hall. Oh, we already got that one. Call to the Hall, Ty Cobb. We got that last time. It'd be crazy if, you know. Oh, wait, this is an insert. This is a parallel. Call to the Hall, pink. So here we just got. It's not numbered. But there's our Call to the Hall, and our Call to the Hall pink parallel. Not numbered. We'll put that above the other Ty Cobb for now. Alright, we have our Sand Glitter card here. Mitch Haniger, Sand Glitter. Mr. Martinez on the 1990, his rookie card. Greatest Hits, Aaron Judge. And back to our base. And this is my second time opening to 2025, so I'm still learning all the parallels, all the varieties. So bear with me. Alright, Jackson Holiday in there. Our base. Gunnar in there in our base. What do you think of these 2025 top series ones? Do you like them? I will tell you, I don't really like them. I just don't like the format. You can see here. McGee! You can see here the Jazz Chisholm. You can't see the Chisholm unless I hold it just right. So I don't like a lot of these cards for that reason. Not a fan of the 2025, to be honest. Luis Roberts on the rainbow foil. Luis Roberts. Sorry about my dog there behind you, barking. I had the cat before, and now I got the dog. It's a zoo over here. Do you like this photo of Alec? Like the hair flowing back there? Alright, 7 to go. Got something turned backwards there. What do we got coming up? Is that just a regular 1990 coming up? Let's see here. Nope. That's a relic. Fernando Tatis Jr. relic. On the game memorabilia, the two-tone jersey. It's got the jersey with the stripe there. I don't know, is that the pants leg, I'm guessing? Fernando Tatis. The 1990. Put this in a sleeve here. Fernando Tatis. Nice, it's got that line on it. I always like the relics that have a little something like that in it. Alright, Diaz on the sand. Singular. Yadier Molina on the 1990. Cactus League, Dansby Swanson. And then we finish off here. Alright. Pack 5. Get in here. Get our base out of the way. I don't know if the Dancing Dodgers would be here in the front. Anyone picked a Dancing Dodger? I don't know if they would be here with all these base mixed in. I imagine they'd be with the inserts, but I'd be curious. Here's our gold. Abraham Toro. Abraham Toro. Golds are, of course, numbered to 2025 for the year. So this is number 1043 of 2025. Abraham Toro of your Cityless Athletics. Luis Gill on the rainbow. See, you can't see the Gill down there at the bottom. It's a shame. Christian Yelich on the 1990. First pitch, Coach Al. Helsley there. All right. To the side. Over base. Still haven't pulled another autograph. Don't know if that first autograph, that non-card auto, is going to count as our auto or not. Brent Rooker on the sand foil. Julio from the 1990. William Contreras on the. Is that the first all top team? No, that is the first Topps all team. Alright. We are 4 packs left. There's one more relic at least. Hopefully an auto, but not holding our breath. It'd be a killer to get 2 autographs out of here. I would take that all day. Colt Keith. So rainbow, this is a stand foil. Colt Keith. The rainbow. Colt Keith. Detroit. You get a cup. Again, why do some players get cups? Why not others? Colt Keith, you deserve a cup. Rainbow foil, looks good. Trey Turner. Greatest hits. Corbin Carroll. And our base. Three packs to go. Yamamoto there. It'd be killer to get a Yamamoto Dancing Dodger. That'd be nice. See, Wynn's got the cup. Freeman. Alright, I apologize for this next one. I have no idea. Let's see. Let's take a look here. This is sand glitter. Spencer Swalenbach. I'm assuming Swalenbach. Braves rookie on the sand glitter. Apologize for that pronunciation. Apologize for all my pronunciations. Please leave me comments. Tell me how I'm mispronouncing these things. It's never been my strong suit at all. At all. 2 packs left. Definitely going to pull a relic out of one of these. Or maybe, well no, sorry, geez, what am I talking about? Begging for the auto. We got 2 autos, because we got the Kershaw auto. What am I talking about? So we did get 2 autos out of this. Alright. Pull these off. This is our relic. It's a numbered relic. It's a Vladimir Guerrero Jr. relic. Let's set these cards down. Let's pull our Vladimir Guerrero Jr. That's a bat. This is the blue. So this is going to be, I think it's at a 150. Let's get this in a sleeve here. Vlad Guerrero Jr. Memorabilia bat. And it is number 89 of 150. Vlad Guerrero Jr. Relic. The bat. Toronto Blue Jays. That's a nice card there. Let's get another stand here. I'm gonna do it. Matt Chapman here on the rainbow. Johan Alvarez on the 1990. Aaron Judge. And alright, so we've already had a great case, or great hobby box. 2 autos. One redemption card. No complaints here. Ben's complaining. Ben, not right now, buddy. If you hear Ben, my cat there. Ben. Alright, what do we got here? Riley Green on the sand foil there. Cal Ripken. Jazz Chisholm on the greatest hits. I got this all messed up. This is Grapefruit League. This is greatest hits. Alright, so we're ending up here. Obviously, Fernando Tatis and Vlad Guerrero are good relics to pull. They're a nice rookie autograph. But this, I'll be sure to post a video of my flagship Real One autograph of Clayton Kershaw. I'll be sure to post a video of that when it comes in.